Yo, what the? What the? There's some pizza for everybody, but that was an hour and a half ago.
Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to another episode of the Car Community channel. We are starting the vlog today in the Lamborghini Huracan. We're heading out to Brooklyn, New York to meet up with Daniel. He's gonna be doing some soccer tricks on the car today. Let's get ready to go. So that guy over there just asked you to race on foot. We are now in Brooklyn, New York. And the roads suck over here. I drive like a grandma.
Hey, what's up? Yo, shout out Car Community, shout out Zane. You out here, man. If you guys want to watch the skit, we're gonna put that skit on Daniel's Instagram and I'm gonna post it up as well. So I'm gonna put a link in the description of Dan's Instagram for you guys to check out. I'm now gonna be taking Dan for his first ride in a Huracan. He's gonna be taking over the camera right now. You ready for this? First ride in the Huracan. Yo, let's see, dude. This is gonna be crazy. Hey. All right, we good, man. Health and safety. I'm literally going to use Zane's offer for a ride to take me to the gym. So this is a functional ride. Yeah. Yo, you had Daniel in here, right? Daniel Jean. He was like, "Yo, that's enough."
Yo, alright, we can stop now. We can stop now. Oh nah.
Yo, this is crazy, man. That's my first time like inside a supercar. Lambo. Yeah, Lambo, whatever, anything.
Yo, what the?
Holy shit. Yo, that was like a roller coaster, bro. God damn. Yo, what's up, guys? We in the Lambo. Zane killing it.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, this dude just gave me a heart attack, bro. He accelerated and I thought I was on a roller coaster. This is ridiculous. Yo, ready? Zane, hit the gas, bro.
Ready for this?
I'm trying.
What? Yo, what the? Holy shit. Holy shit.
Put the camera on.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Yo. Too funny, man. Yo, can we keep going straight?
Yeah, sure.
I go towards the gym. Yo, shout out to my guy Zane right here. Fucking killed it, dude. This is crazy, yo. Everyone like and subscribe. If this gets 20,000 comments, we'll buy a fucking I don't know, what's the craziest car?
We'll buy him a
yeah, 100K comments will buy me a Bugatti.
Yeah, right. I just dropped Dan off to the gym. How crazy was his reaction in the Huracan? We're not gonna be heading out. The car is super dirty, so we're gonna be heading out to Mr. Handwash, guys. Our official Car Community hand wash spot. So stay tuned. Guys, a Supra! Oh my god, there's a Supra, guys. I actually used to have a Supra. Oh my god! Guys, how crazy does that Supra sound? I used to have a Supra 2 years ago. That was actually my first car when I first turned 18. I got a Supra. It wasn't an 5-speed. I was gonna build it and do a bunch of things to it, but I didn't get around to do it. But Supras are still in my heart. I would totally get one right now. Just sold my Skyline, so maybe we might add a Supra to the collection. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Should we add a Supra to the collection? What's up, Chris?
What's up, guys?
The hand wash, make sure you see him. Because Chris leaves at 3 o'clock. Look at all that foam. Look at all that foam. That's right. We are behind the glass today. Usually they're over there, but we're in here. do you guys think? Did Mr. Handwash do an amazing job with the car wash? I think they missed a couple spots. Chris! The tires are white. I think we gotta fix that.
What happened?
Look, the tires are white.
Oh, yeah, we'll fix it.
They'll fix it. Gone. Wow, thank you, Chris.
Yeah, no problem.
No more white. Oh, wow, you fixed it. Guys, Mr. Handwash killed the wash today. Big shout out to them. Today's video is actually sponsored by Mr. Handwash. If you guys are looking to wash your cars in New York, make sure you guys check them out. I'm gonna put a link in the description of their Instagram. They're located in Elmont and they're a full hand wash. I'm now gonna be taking Chris, the owner of Mr. Handwash, in a ride in the Huracan. It's his first time in the Huracan, so it's gonna be an experience just like the morning.
Is this thing taping me right now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ready, my friend?
Sure, hit it.
Woo!
I tried not to lean back, I couldn't do it.
The car is spinning because of the armor all.
Yeah.
You felt it? So, how's your first experience in the Lambo?
Sick. Fast.
Fast, right?
Yeah.
Fast in the M5?
Yeah, I'd say so. A little bit of a rocket ship.
This guy has like no reaction. I don't get him. So, Chris, how was your first ride in the Huracan?
Nice.
Nice?
Fast. Loud. Fast.
I was expecting him to be like, ah, or like, ooh, or like, ee, but we got none of that. None of that from him. None of that. All right, later, Chris. Thanks for the walk. What's up, Dino? Yo, I love the new wrap. Looks good. So Dino just wrapped his car yellow. It used to be white. You know the flame shooting Aventador? The one that goes pam, pam, pam. What do you guys think? Do you like the yellow better or the white better? Comment down below. Dino, what do you like better?
Yellow.
Yellow? Of course. Lamborghini doors. Oh, it didn't go all the way up. That's awkward.
Chris, your Lambo, your doors don't go up. So
I know, they're broken. They're broken. Oh my god, I love a good V12. Guys, I need a V12 in my life. Getting some action, but we don't, because we have a Huracan. This is so sad. Did he just floor it? Is he gonna get pulled over? I'm staying back here. Just made it here to Americana Manhasset, where they have the Americana concourse and they park all the cars over here. Wow, look, a Hurricane. Wow, look, a McLaren. Wow, look, Aston Martin. Wow. Alright, so we're out here at Nusret. This is my 6th time coming here. Thank you.
Hey, no,
guys, we're out here with Nusret today in New York. Hands down the best steak I've ever had in New York. Make sure you guys check it out. I'm gonna put a link in the description. Mr. Nusret himself. Say what's up to the channel. So that's gonna end it for us over here at Nusret. We're gonna be heading out to Krispy's pre-screening for the H2Oi 2018, which we were in. Roman's Huracan and Avi's Huracan. New York City, guys. The land of opportunities, right? The Big Apple. What else do they call it?
It's the city that never sleeps.
The city that never sleeps. We just made it here to Krispy's unveiling of the H2Oi 2018 video. So make sure you stay tuned, guys. I think we're gonna have to be quiet up there, right? What do you guys think? Hi, vlog. Hey, what's up?
What's going on? How you doing? Wow, you're famous now. Look, wow, Crispy status.
So I don't know where we are right now. I'm super scared. Crispy, I don't know where you took me, but should I be running for my life?
Oh my god,
oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Definitely dead line.
Are we allowed to go up here? Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, look at this amazing view.
Oh shit.
Titanic?
No.
Copyrighted music, yay!
We ordered some pizza for everybody, but that was an hour and a half ago.
You have copyrighted music on.
Overlay something else here.
I'm gonna be bootlegging this for you guys. Bootleg version.
Huge help making tonight happen. They help a lot making us get this awesome.
Hit the two-step! Hit the two-step! Don't kill me! Don't eat it. Come here, come here, come here. Alright guys, we got a game right now. I'm going to Team Media. Let's see who wins. Apparently he can beat me, but
You 21, so should we buy it?
alright, cool.
Here we go. Ooh, spin moves.
2015, alright guys?
No. Yeah, we'll rewind the footage. Yeah, rewind the footage. Camera records.
Rigo beat me this time, but every other time I beat him. Just letting you guys know. I have footage from 2 years ago.
Game 21, so should I? Okay. Game. You're a fucking beast. Mateo win.
Why are you putting it so high?
I've never met an Asian that's bad at. Ooh!
26. We're gonna end the vlog right at Mateo's house. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. Make sure you guys follow us on Instagram if you're not, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog.